Here's 3 effective snoring solutions you need to try. 1. A mandibular advancement device. This device gently moves your jaw forward to keep your airways clear by preventing tissues in your tongue from collapsing into your throat. It's one of the most effective ways to stop snoring. 2. A nasal dilator. If nasal congestion or a deviated septum is causing your snoring, a nasal dilator can open up your nasal passages, making it easier to breathe and reducing snoring instantly. Number 3. An anti-snore pillow. Sleeping on your back often worsens snoring because gravity pulls your throat tissue back. An anti-snore pillow encourages side sleeping, which can make a huge difference. Try these solutions out and get ready for quieter, restful nights.